Excavation is a foundational part of most construction projects, laying the groundwork for structures of all sizes. So if you are a construction professional, understanding the basics of excavation can significantly enhance your knowledge and skills in the field. Now in this video, we'll walk through the essential steps of excavation, ensuring you have a solid grasp of this crucial construction process. Excavation, a fundamental aspect of most construction projects, entails more than just the removal of soil, rock, and other materials from a site. It is a meticulously orchestrated process that forms the foundation for the entire construction endeavor. This process not only creates the necessary space for construction but also plays a critical role in ensuring the stability and safety of the entire project. Furthermore, the Bureau of Labor Statistics highlights the increasing demand for skilled professionals in this field, projecting a 5% growth in construction occupations from 2019 to 2029. This growth underscores the essential role of expertise in excavation, reflecting its critical position in the construction industry. The first task in site preparation is to conduct a detailed survey of the area. This survey involves assessing the topography, soil type, and any existing structures or natural features that might impact the excavation. Another critical aspect of preparation is identifying underground utilities. In India, this task can be particularly challenging due to the complexity and density of underground networks in urban areas. In many Indian cities, local municipal corporations or utility companies offer services to help identify these underground lines. It's advisable to contact these authorities or use underground utility locating equipment before commencing the excavation. Furthermore, securing the necessary permits and approvals is essential. In India, this means navigating a series of bureaucratic steps. These clearances might include environmental permits, especially if the excavation is in or near ecological sensitive areas. Additionally, considering the community and neighboring properties is also a part of the preparation process. In densely populated areas, which are common in many Indian cities, it's important to communicate with neighbors and local community members about the project to mitigate any concerns or disruptions. Once the site is prepared, the next step is planning and marking the excavation area. This involves determining the exact size and depth of excavation based on specific needs of the project. The boundaries are typically marked using flags, pegs, or spray paint for clear visibility. Selecting the right equipment is crucial for efficient and safe excavation. For small projects, tools like shovels and spades are usually sufficient. However, larger projects require heavier machinery such as backhoes and excavators. It's important to choose equipment that matches the project scale. The actual excavation process commences with the removal of topsoil, typically the most fertile layer, which is often set aside for later use in landscaping or restoration. This step is crucial in preserving the soil's quality for future use. As the excavation delves deeper, regular checks on the site's stability becomes increasingly important to ensure safety. For deeper excavations, especially those that go several feet below the surface, implementing shoring or benching is a critical safety measure. These techniques provide additional support to the excavation walls, helping to prevent any potential collapse. Furthermore, maintaining a safe slope in excavation area is essential to prevent accidents. The angle of slope should be carefully calculated based on soil type and depth of the excavation. Effective water management is paramount in excavation, as accumulated rainwater or groundwater can pose significant hazard and even halt the project entirely. Planning for proper drainage is therefore essential to the success and safety of any excavation operation. This planning often involves the installation of pumps which are used to efficiently remove water that has collected in the excavation site. In addition to mechanical pumping, creating slopes and drainage paths to naturally direct water away from the site is a common and effective strategy. Environmental factors play a significant role in excavation. It's important to minimize the impact on surrounding environment. This consideration includes controlling dust, preventing erosion, and managing any waste materials generated during the excavation process. For instance, sediment control measures like silt fences can help prevent soil erosion and protect nearby water sources. Once the excavation reaches the desired depth and shape, the process moves to finishing. This stage involves smoothing out surfaces, ensuring the excavation meets the specified dimensions, and preparing the site for next construction phase. It's also the time to replace the topsoil if necessary, especially in landscaping projects. After the excavation is completed, a thorough evaluation of the site is necessary. This evaluation ensures that the excavation meets all project requirements and safety standards. If any issues are identified, it's crucial to address them before moving forward with the construction. In conclusion, excavation is a critical step in construction that sets the stage for entire project. It requires careful planning, knowledge of safety practices, and an understanding of environmental impacts. By following these steps, you are well on your way to executing an effective and safe excavation, one that not only meets the immediate project needs but also contributes to the long-term stability and success of your construction endeavors. Remember, safety and preparation are key in excavation just as they are in all aspects of construction.